Hello, and welcome to this short explanation of the GCSE Food Preparation and Nutrition. In today's health-conscious world, there is perhaps the most information out there about food and its benefits, but it can also be the most confusing. The Food Preparation and Nutrition GCSE encourages students to look at both how food is prepared and what it does in and to our bodies. The course covers both the science behind food and nutrition, as well as helping you to develop practical cooking skills. At Key Stage 4, there are 3 hours per week available for this GCSE. One will be a cooking lesson, and the other 2 hours will be nutrition-based lessons. In the GCSE, there are two distinct areas, the non-examination assessment, also known as NEA, and a written exam. The coursework for this subject, now known as a non-examination assessment, is 50% of the GCSE. This gives you a chance to really showcase your cooking skills, which you will learn throughout Year 10 by cooking once a week. After each practical, it is important to complete an evaluation sheet at home to assess your strengths and weaknesses of making various dishes, which will allow your cooking skills to progress. You'll be presented with a task in Year 11 by the exam board, which gives you an opportunity to explore the cuisine of a particular culture or dietary group through the preparation of a number of dishes. This all happens in the space of a 3-hour cooking exam. The second 50% is a written exam. This 1 hour, 45-minute exam is made up of a mix of long form and multiple choice questions. You'll be quizzed on topics such as food commodities, nutrition and good health, food science, food safety, food choices, and food provenance. You will learn this specification within the other 2 hours of the week. Remember to speak to people at home before choosing this GCSE, as it requires you to be very organised outside of school and it can also be expensive. If this is the GCSE for you, but you feel that there might be financial barriers in the way, you can speak with your class teacher for support with this issue, or any of the issues that come to mind. Food preparation and nutrition is not just an interesting and fun GCSE to study, but it is also a life skill which you will use daily in later life.